Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the Ipsy bag unbagging. It is finally here. It's a butterfly theme. I saw it in my sneak preview for this month and I'm really excited about that. Sorry about my hair, guys. It's a complete curly, wavy mess and I just needed to put it up. So this month's bag, when you open it, looks like this, and there is something outside of the bag this month, and it is a brush. So we get a gold eyeshadow, like your lid brush, so it looks like that. I'm not really, it's a shader brush, it literally just says shader on it. I'm not really digging the gold, I don't know. I think I would like silver more than I do like gold. It's like, with all my rings and stuff, they're all white gold. Nothing is really like the yellow gold. I'm just not a big fan of it, but see, it seems like it's a really soft brush, so maybe we'll play around with it today. So the bag is a butterfly bag. It's actually so cute. I'm so excited for this month. This bag is so adorable, and it's just like, it's so freaking cute. I'm just so excited. So we open up the bag. And the first thing is that card. It says Social Butterfly, Ipsy, April 2018, and just gives you some random information. Nothing about the bag, really. So the first thing I see in the bag is H2O Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment, clinically proven to hydrate immediately and soften skin. How to use. After cleansing and toning, massage gently onto face and neck day and night. For best results, apply over your favorite H2O Beauty serum. So it's a cleanser that you use after cleansing and toning, and it wants you to cleanse your face again. Hydrating treatment. Oh, so it's like, it's a moisturizer. Ha, okay. We might as well just do that. So I'm going to, okay, so I have my cleanser, my face wash. I just use the Let the Good Times Roll by Lush Cosmetics, and it's my favorite. So I'm just going to cleanse my face really quickly. Save the planet. Turn your water off. This is my favorite face wash ever. It smells like graham crackers. It is the best thing. I just want to eat it. And it makes my skin feel so nice. Ugh. I love Lush. So we can... Fuck. Okay. So, before I use the H2O skin moisturizer, I realized that in my bag I actually have this Pure Lease coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub. So I'm going to put this on, even though I just cleansed my face. I'm going to do it anyway, because this is really gentle, so that's okay. So we're going to try this out. So this is by the company Pure Lease. It's coconut and coffee sugar body scrub. It is 20 grams. Again, this is, Ipsy is mostly samples, so this is again just a sample. Take that off. Oh, it smells like coffee. Well, obviously, but so it looks like that. So it just looks like a normal coffee scrub. So I'm just going to take a little bit out and massage onto moist skin in gentle circular motions over entire body. Rinse with warm water. For deeper scrub, apply to dry skin, gentle enough for everyday use. So good, it's gentle too. So I'm just going to wet my face again, just a little bit. I'm just going to massage it onto my skin. Now I've used coffee scrubs before. The one I get is from Lush, but this one smells 10 times better than Lush's does. This actually smells like I'm rubbing coffee grounds on my face, which I very well could be, because it looks like it, and it smells like it. And I'm really digging the smell of this. This smells so nice. I'm really happy with Ipsy this month. They gave me a lot of skincare products, which is really awesome, because that's what I put mostly on my, in Ipsy, in the app, you can do like this little test and you can see like what you prefer, if you want more makeup, if you want more skincare, what level of makeup you're, like artistry you're at, like if you're beginner, intermediate, etc. And like I'm an intermediate in makeup and I am really into skincare, so I'm really happy that they're finally sending some skincare stuff. So now that my face is looking kind of red, I'm gonna wash this off. My face feels so clean now that I used 2 cleansers on it. And it feels so nice. So refreshing. And that smelled so good. Oh my god. That was awesome. Okay, so this was the second thing, but we're gonna go with this was the, well, no. This was the third thing, but we're gonna go with it's the second thing because the brush was the first thing. So this was the Pure Release Coconut Oil and Coffee Scrub, and I really, really like this. But of course, I have to use it a couple times to give you guys my honest opinion on what it does with my skin, if it actually helps or anything. But just from a first impression, I love the scent of this, and it made my skin really, really soft. So that's awesome. So the second thing, we're gonna dive back into the H2O Beauty, and it is just a moisturizer. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my skin. So it smells, what does it smell like? It's blue. It smells very clean, like very sterile. It's kind of a weird scent. So, but it's blue. It's kind of cool. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face, underneath my eyes. Let's see. It kind of smells like a hospital. Like, it smells very clean. That's the best way I can describe it. Like, it smells very, very clean. It's that weird clean scent. So again, this is H2O Beauty, and it is just a sample size, so they give you 10 milliliters, which is 0.34 of a fluid ounce. And then, of course, like always, I will link the prices for the full price, for the full product items in the description if I can find them. So I'm just putting it all over my eyes, and then the last little bit just on my forehead. So it looks like that. It doesn't really look like anything. It's blue. It starts off blue and it massages in clear, obviously. It smells really clean. I guess we'll see in a couple minutes if I like it or not. So the next thing that's in my bag, so we have 3 things so far. So we have the brush, we have the cleanser, the coffee scrub, and we have the H2O Beauty. And the next thing that's in my bag that I see is that liquid glow, though. It's a liquid highlighter. I've never used a liquid highlighter before. I'm obsessed with my Amrezy and Anastasia Beverly Hair highlighter, so this is that liquid glow, though, liquid highlighter by the Trust Fund Beauty. And you get 8 milliliters, which is 0.27 of a fluid ounce. So I'm going to do my full face of makeup before I put this on my skin, but I will just do a little tester on my hand just to see what kind of highlight we're talking about. So looks like that, and it massages into like this very, very metallic-y purpley rose color, very similar to the Cover FX the Shimmer Veil. It's very similar in color to this. So I don't think you get a lot in there, though. I've never used a liquid highlighter like for my actual skin. Like, I've only ever used it on my eyes, which was what the Shimmer Veil was. So I don't know how I'm gonna like it, because that is blinding. That is so shimmery and very bright. So we'll see. So I will do my full face makeup before I put that on. The next thing that's in my Ipsy bag, the last thing that's in my Ipsy bag is, so it's the Paula Dorf bronzer. So we got a highlighter and a bronzer in this bag. It's interesting. So I've never heard of this brand before. It's PD, Paula Dorf. Looks like this. I'm gonna open it. It's really, really soft as I'm just rubbing it in on my hand. And it's okay, can't really see it. It's a very light color, so meh. I'll definitely be trying that out. But I'm going to be doing my full face of makeup, and I will come back in for those two parts, so BRB. Okay, so now that I have my face on, I got my foundation and my lipstick and my eye makeup done, I am going to play with the highlighter and the bronzer since I haven't done that yet. So I'm going to start off with the bronzer. So it's the Paula Dorf little sample bronzer. So taking my Morphe blush brush, taking a bunch out. So it's a pretty subtle little bit of bronze. I use the NYX palette because I like the colors that it comes with, all of the different colors. So holding my NYX palette up like this and this color. So this is way lighter. This is probably about that color in the NYX palette. And I'm used to using this color to get the really defined contour look that I like. So I think that that's just a little bit too light for me. It's an okay contour color, but I like it a little bit darker. So I'm just going to mix in some of the NYX. And I'll finish with just a little bit more of the Paula Dorf. Like, it's not a bad color, it's just I prefer it a little bit darker, so this is okay. And then the last thing that I'm going to be trying for you guys is that highlighter. And you know what? I'm kind of scared of it because it is, like, pink. And to be honest, I don't think I really want to put this on my face. I'm not really into pink highlighters, so this is kind of a bust for me. I really, really like the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlight. It's this champagne gold color, and that's what I'm into. This is too pink for me. It looks like this on camera. Oh, can you even see it? Not really. I'm so pale that you can't really see it. It's like a pink color, and I don't know. I'm just not really feeling it. So I'm going to put on the Anastasia highlight, and yeah, just to try it out for you guys, I'll take a little bit of it and I will maybe pop it into my inner corners and see. I'm just taking the tiniest amount because I don't know how this is actually going to look, and I'm just going to take the tiniest amount on my brush and pop it right into the inner corners. So as you guys can see, it's like this pinky color. It looks pretty in the inner corner, but I don't think I would like it on my cheekbones. I think it's just a little too much for me. I really like the gold, natural, subtle. Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy isn't exactly subtle. It's kind of blinding, but it's not this blinding, so I think I prefer that one. But so far, I'm really impressed with this Ipsy bag this month. The butterfly bag is absolutely to die for. It is so cute. This is a cute highlight for the inner corners of my eyes, or maybe even just like to put over top of an eyeshadow. That might look really, really cool. The Paula Dorf bronzer is just a little bit too light for my skin. I prefer a little bit of a darker one, but that's just me personally. The H2O Oasis Hydrating Moisturizer, basically. It's really great. I liked it. I really, really liked the coffee scrub. It's so awesome. It smells so good. It was just like a hit for me. Really, really liked it. And then the golden brush, besides the color being a little ugly, the brush was really great. I'm not sure why they took it out of the bag and shipped it like that when it fits in the bag, but they did that, so that was cool. We got 5 things in our Ipsy bags this month, which is really great. The only thing that was full-size was the brush. So I mean, like, if you're looking for full-size products, I would go with BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a way better deal. It's $21 if you live in the States. So keep in mind, I live in Canada, so I pay for shipping and I pay for duties and taxes and stuff on top of it. So for BoxyCharm, I'm paying about $36 instead of $21, and for Ipsy, I'm paying about $21 instead of $10. So I'm not paying $10 for Ipsy. That's a lot. It's $10 plus shipping, plus where do you live in the world? If you live in Canada, oh yeah, add on an extra $6 or $7. So I'm not paying $10, I'm paying about $21 for Ipsy. And you know what? I'm starting to think that that's just a little bit too expensive for these samples. So I may cancel Ipsy. I'm not 100% sure yet. My girlfriend just did because she signed up with BoxyCharm. I'm already signed up with BoxyCharm, so I have both of them. But I just don't know if Ipsy's really doing it for me with the sample sizes. I would really, really like it if I was getting a little bit more of full-size products that wasn't just brushes. It just kind of seems like a throwaway. Kind of like the eyeliners, how they were just throwing eyeliners in left, right, and center in the beginning. But that being said, this Ipsy bag was really great this month, so I'm really, really impressed. I think that my skin looks really nice right now. I think that the hydrating moisturizers and the skincare area was really great. The highlighter is okay. The bronzer is kind of a bust for me, and the brush is okay. So far this was an okay month. Better than the last one, that's for sure. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys do enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, I have a giveaway in the works, so as soon as we reach 100 subscribers, I will be hosting the giveaway. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button and you're entered. So hit that button and you can win some awesome makeup from me. It's not sample sizes. But bye! Look at my eyeball. Very nice. Very nice. This eye look actually didn't turn out that bad. I was kind of hating it when I did it. It's alright. It kind of looks like a sunset. Sunset.